In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see contacts in Gmail on desktop. Let's start in your web browser by opening Gmail. As long as you're signed into the correct Google account, you'll land in your inbox and be ready to go. From here, look to the top right corner of the page for the Google Apps Launcher. The small 9-dot grid, sometimes called the waffle icon. Click that, and a panel of Google Apps will appear. If you don't see contacts right away, scroll through the list or use the search bar inside the launcher. When you find contacts, click it. Google Contacts will open, usually in a new tab, showing your saved people. This is where you can browse your list, see details like email addresses and phone numbers you've stored, and quickly look up someone before writing to them. If you'd rather jump straight to your address book without going through Gmail first, you can also navigate directly to contacts.google.com in your browser's address bar. Many people like to bookmark this page so it's always one click away. It's the exact same place the launcher takes you, so choose whichever path is faster for you. Now, if you're already composing a message in Gmail and just want to pull up a contact on the fly, click into the to field of the new email. Gmail will immediately suggest people based on who you email most often. You can also click into CC or BCC to do the same. As a quick reminder, CC sends a visible copy to additional recipients, while BCC keeps those recipients hidden from others on the thread. Start typing a name or email, and Gmail will match it against your contacts and recent addresses so you can select the right person without leaving the Compose window. Back in Google Contacts, take a moment to check the section called Other Contacts on the left-hand menu. This area automatically collects addresses you've emailed before but haven't formally saved. It's a convenient place to find someone you corresponded with once or twice but didn't add to your main contacts. Reviewing this list can help you clean up duplicates or spot outdated addresses before you send a message. That's it. You can open contacts from the app launcher inside Gmail, go directly to contacts.google.com, and pull up suggestions right from the to, CC, or BCC fields while composing. Use whichever method fits your workflow, and you'll always have the right people at your fingertips.